going on, guys? Hackensack here, man behind the camera. Today's video was a POV of street photos in the snow. However, the first portion was filmed at an angle on the GoPro cam, so just bear with the very first kind of couple of minutes within the first portion of the video. That being said, the ending though, got some photos like these, so see the process. This one I did talk a little bit more than usual, and I probably will start talking during like the POV videos themselves to kind of give you guys an understanding of what's going on in here, what I'm seeing, and I'll try to post in a wide angle or film in a wide angle next time. So next video I'm posting is gonna be I just got these sick ass stickers in from photos that I did a while back, and so I'm gonna go around the city and post them. And yeah, so these stickers, I'm pretty excited about them. It's a side project I'm working on, and hopefully this first batch goes well. I have no clue how the adhesive's gonna hold up. I only got like a few of them, so yeah, stay tuned, enjoy the video.
Sort of the bag over this thing or something. Somehow the sensor just got wet. Yeah, it's like perfect for a street photo. God, how's that sensor keep getting wet? Nice. Nice. Sick. Hell yeah. Got that shot from crossing the street. Got the backlighting with the orange. Pretty sick. shot that I want is on the train tracks, but we're gonna get right here. I really wish I would have gotten those people crossing the street, but up ahead is the train tracks, and this is what we walked all the way over here for. So hopefully we're gonna post up and hopefully we get some good shots. It's not too bad. I'm pretty layered up, so I'm having to put my camera in my coat to keep it from getting too wet on the sensor on the eyelid, because it keeps fucking it up on the screen and I can't show you guys what I'm shooting. It's on the eye hole. So, and I also got a piss, so I'm gonna have to find somewhere to piss out here, or I'm gonna have to run back. But up ahead's the train tracks, and we got some activity. It's good. So we're gonna kind of wait for the right moment, which I don't really know what that looks like, but train track. All right, so we got someone coming up ahead. Then we'll post up on the corner and try to frame them right there. All right, we got a bike coming, so got him. Oh, there we go. Nice. So easy. Nice. See if it's in focus. Oh, it's not in focus, bitch. Right. I think that one's in focus. Lately I've been having trouble with this 85mm getting in focus. It's kind of pissing me off. I got shit to do. Got shit to shoot. And the 85mm don't want to perform. Alright. Let's see. Look around. We might move a little bit. Might get like a little shot right here on the track. Squared. Standard. Come on. Okay. Yep, that's it. That's the shot. Yeah, the autofocus is a little whack on this camera right now. Okay. Oh, we got a shot coming up right here, lined up. Wait for the homie to cross the street right here. It's gonna look good. There's some. Yeah, that'd be cool. All right. We cannot get this wrong. We cannot mess this up. Dude, if I had someone over there, that'd be cool. Damn, right here. Here we go. It's moment of truth. Moment of truth. Nice. Okay, that might be the last shot for the night. It's starting to really come down. Got some other plans. So that's it. Sick. Alright, so decided to climb up on the parking garage here, which historically speaking, parking garages hate when you do this, but I mean, how could you not with this view? It's a sick ass view. You know what I'm saying? Just post up right here. Look at all those tracks. Sick. That's the same guy right there. Badass. What a champ. Trucking through this, man. At that age. It's pretty badass. Go up one more level. I mean, it's not gonna change much, but you just never know. You never know what you might get up here. Oh, you get a cage. Probably like a suicide prevention cage. One more flight. Oh shit, here we go. Here comes this little truck right here, this little van. Yeah. Cool. Oh, okay. Maybe I did luck out. Oh, this is dope. This would have been sick for like a car shoot up here, bro. Fucking A. Got one guy right there. Oh, sick. I think that's all she wrote, to be honest. What am I saying, bro? I'm saying some cringy ass, that's all she wrote. Some Looney Tunes ass fucking, I don't know. You put me on camera, I just fucking start saying dumb shit. Look at that. All right, that's it. I got what I came for. As I say that, bro, there's a fucking train coming, bro. Where did I get the train? There it is. I gotta clean the sensor off, bro. The train is coming. Question is, do I get ground level or do I stay up here? Oh, do I have time for ground level? Yeah, I think I do. It's stopped right now. Level 3. Yeah, that's dope. Too easy, bro. I think that was a good decision right there. That's a good shot. Cool shot. All right. Pays to the wait, I guess. Goddamn train. That's it. That's wraps. Calling it a night. For sure this time.